Hey everybody, my name is Carlos, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and very exciting, the final read-through, the final check for the layout of the book Watchmaking Explained. Everything you need to know about watchmaking, but nobody's telling you. Text is all finished. We have about 250 pages, a hardcover. We had our pick out of 700 pictures, which one is the best with which text. And we have 120 QR codes that a text is referring, and then you put your phone on the QR code, and then I'm explaining a bit more about the text or different techniques. I think it's going to be really special. For example, there's a bit about high horology and micro brands. So I asked a few friends of mine with micro brands not to only give a picture of the beautiful stuff they make, but then next to it the QR code, and they are explaining how they made the watch, the design, all the parts, stuff like that. So it is a really interactive book. Coming Tuesday, so the April 1st, no joke, there's a pre-launch party. And, oh, kom je even kijken? Hey, my dog BeeGee. Hi there. Need attention. Hey, kerel. Sorry about that. April 1st, during the live stream on Tuesday, 8:30 Central European Time, I will give you the discount code, and we do a pre-launch party. I'll be showing the cover of the book, that is all finished, and we start the pre-sale simply just to generate a bit of money because it's very expensive. What I forgot about to mention is not only the book, the text, and everything okay? Oh, kerel. It's not just the book, the text and the QR codes, but we are creating an online forum, and just so it's a one-stop shop. You can ask questions about parts, tools to use, books to read. So it's not just a book, it's a complete community all around it. So during the live stream, April 1st, 8:30 Central European Time, I will give you the discount code. I will reveal the cover of the book, and we start the pre-sale again simply to generate a bit of money, because we are doing huge investments, but the quality is top-notch, just like we want it. So, well, from me and BeeGee, say hi. Hope to see you Tuesday, 1st of April, and you get a discount code. And the book will go into pre-sale, and I will show you the cover and the story behind it. All of you, thank you so much for your attention. Hey, say bye-bye. See ya.